Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick and I am back with day 23 of the 2023 Daily Red Heart free pattern crochet series. So actually today these are non-crochet crafts. I know we all love our hooks, but every once in a while it's fun to try something different. So I've got some different fun little patterns from Red Heart that I thought we'd take a look at. So this is the Red Heart Day of the Dead necklace pattern. It's really just tassels and it looks like maybe a chain, um, but it doesn't look too hard and it does look like a lot of fun. So Red Heart created these necklaces for their Day of the Dead outfits, but they are fun accessories any time of the year. And they are. They're really cute. So it looks like you need some beads. A pom-pom maker wouldn't go amiss. Just really fun and colorful and very beginner friendly. And maybe if you're trying to get a friend or a child or someone interested in yarn activities, this might be a good one to start with. Okay, our next pattern is the Red Heart Pom Pom Garland. Now this is good for any time of year. It's certainly something you can change up the color and make it, festive for any time of the year. It looks like this chain here is crocheted, and it looks like you attach the pom pom garland in there in some kind of intricate way. I'm not really sure how that works, but these are really, really cute. Again, a pom pom maker would not be a bad idea. There are other ways to make pom poms without using a pom pom maker, but they're not as much fun. This is another beginner friendly crochet project. I could really see this looking very cute in a dorm room. I think that would be adorable. Or a teenager's bedroom. Anybody's bedroom, really. Okay, so this is the Pom Pom Wall Hanging. Again, I love me some pom poms. This is a wall hanging craft pattern, so we're going to open that up and take a closer look. Okay, if you're looking for a project that displays your love of yarn without using needles or hooks, you could try this wall hanging project. This is beginner friendly and it is listed as a craft project, not a crochet project. So they do show using the pom pom makers here. And I've never used these types of pom pom makers. I use the Clover set, but these look like they work pretty well too. I've just never tried them myself. I'm not crazy about these colors. I'm not sure about you. You'll have to let me know in the comments below. What kind of colors would you use for this wall hanging? All right, let's move on to our next craft project. Okay, so this one is called Tassel's Galore Bunting. So this is just a bunting that you hang up on the wall, or garland is another word for it. Really super cute, and it's just using tassels. They use, Red Heart Super Saver Ogo yarn, and that kind of keeps the colors kind of all in the same color family. But it's a really cute idea. Another free, easy craft project. Okay, let's move on to our last craft project from Red Heart. More pom-poms. These ones are pom-poms for the hair, and this is just a craft pattern that's using Red Heart soft yarn. So these are really adorable. I'm just going to open it up just to see if it shows how they're put together. It's actually quite simple to make pom-poms into hair decor because when you finish your pom-pom, you've always got two long strings of yarn, and you can either cut those to be the same length as the rest of the yarn in the pom-pom, or you can use them to tie them onto things. So you could certainly use them to tie them onto a hair tie or a headband or a barrette. It's really pretty simple. Wow, that is quite a look. It's very cute. I like this one a lot. It looks like flowers in her hair. So these are really, really cute and I like them a lot. All right, so that is going to do it for our craft day, non-crochet crafts, day 23 of the daily Red Heart free patterns. I hope you're enjoying this series. I hope you're enjoying Red Heart yarns. Please let me know in the comments below what's your favorite Red Heart yarn and what's your favorite thing to make with it. I'd love to hear from you. All right, until tomorrow, I'll see you later. Bye bye.